Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Microsoft Excel is waiting for another application to complete an OLE action in Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. First of all, open Excel. It does not matter related to the version of the Excel. The same method is that in all versions of Microsoft Excel. So open a Excel and go to your Excel options. Go to your advanced options and scroll down and find out a general tab. Now here is the general tab, and check the ignore other application that use dynamic data exchange DDL. So after I click on OK button and close it. After doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type Excel, open Microsoft Excel, go to your settings, Excel options, click on add-in, click on go, and if any check is available, then uncheck all it. Uncheck the all options, click an OK button and close it. After doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.